Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most blessings, may salawat and salam always share to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness era to the lightness era. So today I want to tell you about my project, which is a News app. So the first thing you must know about News app is env. Where is env? It can storage in after Android, and then assets, and inside of folder asset there is file which name is .env. So in file.env we have first line there is API key. So where I use API key for my project, there is name of API key, and then where we can get API key, so you can use API key News app exactly in newsapi.org, like this, like the UI for News API in Google, and then you can choose get started like this. And then here you can look for feature. There is documentation, authentication, endpoints, everything, errors, client libraries, and others. And then you can use get API key. Because I have an account in News API, so because I have a API key like that. So when you want to get API key, you must to input your email and then input your password. After that you can use API key. There is, for example, for my API key you can use for your project. And then usage, request user this period, resetting in 21 hours 41 minutes and 38 seconds, usage history, like that. So after that we can modify for app colors dart there, which is inside of utils folder. So this is a color which is I use for my news app. There is black color, gray, there is red and white, and then constants dot. What is that? That is can get API from news, and then you can use categories for your API. For my categories, the first is general, technology, business, sports, earth, science, and entertainment. After that, we can modify views, home view dot in folder views. There is a main view for your application. So you can fill with news app, title news app, and then login button, register, and others. And then news detail. Before your users want to see your news, they can click the news, and then the news detail will pop up like this. The text is news detail, and then you can copy link the news on or open browser. And then there is article content like description and read full article and others. Splash view. Splash view is like loading for your application before your application go. Splash view will show before news app show. And then you can modify folder widgets which is category chip.dart, loading shimmer.dart, and newscard.dart. So the first must you know about newscard.dart. I think this is important for newscard. That is box fit. Like this. Box fit is like your image on the card is going effectively. So now we can start my news SQL project in terminal. You can fill the terminal with Flutter Run. And then I use Chrome for my project because Chrome is more easy. Okay, we will wait in here until the Flutter Run. Okay, wait. Nah, it is splash.view. So it is blank news because the API is not going well. And then you can look news for general. There is kanker or sports or driving and others. And then you can use category for your news. There is technologies, and then there is business, sports, health, entertainment, and others. You can use also with categories for your news. There is general, technology, entertainment, and others. You can use login also. You can fill your email and then your password and then login. Or register also, you can full name, email, and password. But I have just UI because I think Flutter. I think build login in Flutter is not easy. And then you can search a news in search icon. So we try example. I try China. Okay. So in here we can look news of China, and then we can look more for other news. Nah, like labor under pressure, how China is challenging Nvidia chip, Xiaomi, and others. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.